has been emphasized time and time again that early risers lead a much healthier life as compared to those who wake up much later in the day. But is rising early all that you need to do? Not really. A healthy kickstart to the day has a lot to do with the first sip or bite you take, according to health experts. Starting the day with a glass of lemon water can do wonders to your overall health and fitness. We've heard this time and time again. But what really are the benefits of drinking this miracle potion that is alleged to work like a charm? Keep watching this video to find out. Drinking lemon water aids in weight loss. Have you been trying to shed some extra pounds lately? Turns out that how you spend your mornings play a crucial role. Mornings are said to be the best time to put in all the effort you can to lose weight. And you know what may help? A glass of lukewarm water with a few drops of lemon. According to experts, this magic little potion can boost the body's metabolism to a great extent for losing weight. Theoretically, you need to burn more calories than you consume. So a person with a faster and higher metabolism uses more calories. Drink that lemon water. Drinking lemon water the first thing in the morning can also give your body a perfect antioxidant boost. Lemon is loaded with the goodness of vitamin C, which is a crucial antioxidant that helps boost skin health, immunity, and protects your DNA from free radical damage, which may help slow down aging and prevent you from various heart diseases and, in some cases, cancer. According to several studies, consuming lemon water right at the start of the day may help reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. The citric acid present in lemon water helps to flush out these calcified deposits, and the acid from the lemon can help keep the stones from coming together and forming. The acidic composition of lemon juice also helps flush out unwanted materials and toxins from your body. Lemon water also encourages the liver to produce more bile, which further helps in digestion and detoxification. In addition to this, lemon water cures heartburn, belching, and bloating. Drinking lemon water is the perfect way to get back in those skinny jeans. Did you know drinking lemon water also energizes and enhances your mood? A glass of lemon water can give you the much needed energy boost that you need at the start of each day. Its invigorating smell is enough to wake you up from the slumber and brighten your mood. According to various experts, its scent can also curb signs of anxiety and depression. Apart from this, it even freshens your breath. So now it's my favorite part of every video. It's the part where you talk to me. I want to know in the comment section, is drinking lemon water in the morning part of your morning routine? If so, why? Or if it is not, why not? I think it's really important to drink lemon water in the mornings. However, I know that a lot of people do not. I'm really interested in knowing your opinions on it. Don't forget to leave those comments in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video today. As always, I'm super interested in knowing your thoughts on it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It's the red button in case you were wondering. Also, don't forget to give this video a great big thumbs up and show me that you liked it. Hopefully you are subscribed, and if you are, please hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time we drop a video. We will see you in the next video. Be well, my friends.